Alrighty, order of operations 1-2. This year we're going to include exponents in all that, so you get a chance to practice and play with that too, because those are fun. So some definitions for you here first. Powers, a method of showing repeated multiplication. A couple of terms here, base and exponent. Base is the bigger number, exponent is what it's been raised to. The number being multiplied is the base, the exponent is the number of times you multiply it. So here's the idea. 5 to the third really means 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 more is 125. So again, it does not mean 5 times 3. No, we already have a way to express that. This is take the number 5 times itself 3 times. Now if I'd have said 5 to the 10th power, you'd say, well, 5 times 5 times 5, keep going, write out 10 times. That's what we're looking at, okay? So powers. Order of operations, simplified a little bit this year from last year. Grouping symbols. Now sometimes this can include fraction bars, and I'll show you that. Then do exponents, like we just did. Multiplication from left to right as you, division rather, from left to right as you come to them. So you don't do all multiplication and then all the division. You do them from left to right as you come to them. Addition and subtraction, again, left to right as you come to them. You don't go do all the addition then all the subtraction. As you come to them, left to right. Again, that left to right rule. In the order of operations, operations that have the same priority should be done from left to right. So again, division and multiplication, wipe those all out first. Then subtraction and addition, wipe all those out first. So what that looks like, let's say I'm clear down to this. I have 2 plus 3 minus 7, right? You'd go left to right. Or if I had 4 divided by 2 times 8, you wouldn't do 2 times 8 and then do 4 divided by that. No, you do them left to right as you come to them when they have the same priority. So this would be 4 times 2 is 2, 2 times 8 is 16. And here, 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 7 is negative 2. So left to right rule. So again, examples of what, so grouping symbols. Parentheses, brackets, fraction bar, absolute value symbol. Work from the inside out if you have parentheses or brackets. If you have a fraction bar, top then bottom. So again, if let's say I want to put a bunch of numbers in, right? So if I had 2 plus 1 and I had parentheses and I said 3 plus that and then brackets and I went out and I said 4 times all that, right? So you work inside out, not left to right in this case. The parentheses kind of, so you work this, then add this on and then multiply this out. Fraction bar, if I had 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 7. The cool thing about these fraction bars is that you work the top then the bottom. So it's kind of almost like there's parentheses sort of hidden there to kind of keep you on track. So that's what that's all about, your grouping symbol examples.